Namaskar Mitro. Usually a lot of dust accumulates in my room, and while dusting with a cloth, brush or vacuum cleaner is good, they all have their own limitations. To reach all those hard to reach areas, I think an air blower might be a better solution. So in today's video, I'm going to make a powerful air blower using a brushless motor. Alright, so from all the brushless motor I have, I choose the smallest one, the DfRobot 1804 2480 kV brushless motor. To drive the motor, I'll need an ESC, a servo tester and a battery. To mount the motor, I am using this stick from one of my old drone project. Now let's mount the motor and make all the connections. The motor is working fine. This motor can easily handle a 4-inch propeller, but 4-inch is too big for this application. So I decided to use two 3-inch propeller instead. Now let's fix the propeller and check the airflow. As you can see, the airflow is quite good and I think it will meet our requirements. So let's move on to designing a 3D printed enclosure. I started by taking measurements and then designing the enclosure in Fusion 360. The designing work is now complete. To bring these parts to life, I'll use JLCPCB 3D printing service. I can easily print these parts with my 3D printer, but for those who don't have a 3D printer and want to prototype a project, then JLCPCB is all-in-one solution for you. JLCPCB is a well-known manufacturer of printed circuit boards offering multi-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly services, and SMT stencils. Besides PCBs, they also provide 3D printing and CNC machining services. They offer 3D printing services with different technologies, materials and surface finishes. Even they also provide metal 3D printing services. To order your 3D printed parts, visit jlc3dp.com, upload your CAD file, choose your settings and place the order. Thanks to their fast shipping option, I received the order within a week. The print quality is amazing, the layers are smooth and the material feels strong and rigid. Now let's start the assembly process. Now before continuing the assembly process, let me tell you about today's sponsor Altium 365, the first open platform for electronics hardware development. It keeps your team connected, streamlines design management with version control, and provides real-time collaboration and supply chain insights. Seamlessly integrated with ECAD and MCAD tools, Altium 365 lets you design the future from anywhere. Bring your next big idea to life with Altium 365. And if you are a student and want to be job ready in electronics design, then try Altium Student Lab. Just enter your university email to get started for free. You will get free access to PCB design courses, Altium Designer and Altium 365. So you can collaborate with your mates, earn a certificate that recognized by top industries in India, learn real skills that lead to real job with Altium Student Lab. Check the link in the description. Now let's continue the assembly process. Alright, the blower performance is just as we tested earlier. It might not be suitable for removing dust stuck to surfaces for a long time, but it's definitely a great choice for regular dusting tasks. If you like this project and want to make one yourself, check the video description to download the free CAD files. That's it for today guys, I'll see you in the next one.